Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change avatar on BiliBili. To change your current avatar or to add a new avatar for your profile on BiliBili is a straightforward process. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open up a web browser first and then go to the URL box to type in bilibili.tv and search. Doing so will take you to the official website for BiliBili. From the main homepage, make sure that you're signed into your account like you normally do. Once you're inside the main homepage, mouse over to your avatar at the top right corner. Now click on My Profile. Click on your profile avatar where you should be able to see the camera icon. It'll now take you to your device's library where you can select a folder where you have a profile picture you would like to upload. And once you do that, you can select the picture and click on Open. Adjust the image according to your need and then click on Save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your profile picture or upload a new profile picture. Finally, tap on Update at the bottom and that is it. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.